Meaning of heraldic.
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 Heraldic. Heraldic refers to something related to heraldry, which is the study and design of coats of arms and other armorial bearings. In heraldry, symbols and colors are used to represent individuals, families, organizations, and geographic regions, among other things. Heraldic designs often feature animals, such as lions and eagles, and plants, such as roses and oak leaves. The use of heraldic elements has been a common practice in Europe since medieval times and has spread to other parts of the world. Heraldry continues to be used today in various contexts, including by governments, military organizations, and educational institutions.